Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Guys, Utobile has been trending for the past 2 days, I think. She has been trending for an interview that she did with Ulungelo. The interview is here on YouTube. If you have not seen the video, please just go and watch the whole video. It's really interesting, and it's just so nice to watch. She was interviewed there talking about her marriage, talking about all things that people have been wanting to ask. And I'm just worried ukuthi the interview, I hope it did not get her in trouble with Umsele Gosana, because we all know a lot is happening there, and also with something that she said. Let me just include the snippet of that video, ne, of what she said, because she said something. They were asking her ukuthi, do you think ungcono uzenza ngcono or something like that, and then she was like, I don't think ngingcono, ngingcono vele. Hey guys, anyway guys, please just watch this video and then I'll be back.
I don't think ngizenza ngcono. I think ngingcono nje. No, ngingcono. I'm not comparing myself with anyone.
Sure.
Mina nje Zotobile ngingcono.
Sure.
Angihlangene nokuthi wena ngcono kancane noma ngcono kakhulu. Mina ngingedwa ngizimele ngingcono. So ke ukuthi kwenza uzizwe kanjani, it's not my problem.
Sure.
So if kuukuthi nawe uzube ngcono fa usebenzise a bit of Tobile ngoba ungcono.
Kuyo lo season 9 lena, there was an episode where Umacele said ukuthi I'm really not sure about the exact words, but she was implying that Makumalo uzenza ngcono, because maybe of the money or something, of the status or something like that. So when they were asking her ukuthi, do you think uzenza ngcono? I know ukuthi someone is going to be catching strays. Someone is going to be catching strays, and the way she said it, like the confidence when she said it, Sana, I really hope she doesn't get into trouble with the Mzeleku family, because Sana, but just it was such a nice interview. She really tried to answer the questions in a respectful way, even though they were like questions were really tricky, but she didn't speak bad about anyone, even the people that she is not on good terms with, because she was also asked ukuthi, are you in good terms with the sister wife uMacele? But they didn't say uMacele, but you could see ukuthi the question was directed to uMacele, and she just said ukuthi they only speak when it's necessary, and she's not on bad terms with anyone. They just don't have anything to speak about at the moment, anything to talk about. But they do have each other's numbers. So if there's something important, they will just WhatsApp each other. Which I feel like all the questions that she answered there, she answered in a matured way, didn't try to bash anyone. But with this particular one, yokuthi uzenza ngcono, I hope it doesn't get her into trouble. I really hope it doesn't get her into trouble. Anyway, for someone who's going to be feeling guilty, it's because they know what they said. They know what they said. If you're going to feel guilty, ukuthi she said ukuthi yena akekho ngcono, you know what you said and you know what you did. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think of Makumalo's whole interview that she did with Ulungelo? Please leave a comment in the comment section.